So I've opened up this particular template here, created a new template. The first thing I'm going to do is go to content, go to find and replace, and we're going to change this to our phone number so it looks like there are more links, and do the same thing there. Do that. It's going to replace everything. Put our email on there. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put our Facebook on there because then we've got all these little sites linking. Your marketing. And then that's done. Now, rather than saving the whole website, I just want to kind of save the main page. So you just go save. So you right click. Let's try that again. So we're going to go right click where it says row. Always click outside of the rows. Like if you right click there, you'll end up on the column. So you always want to click like out there. Oh fuck! I've got to click outside that box. So again, so we're going to go here, save as section, select full page. I'm going to call this musician template, dark color. Section category, there's two of them, so we're always going to use easy build templates for you to choose so the customer can have a look at it, and then we're just going to make it public, and then see how it says all team members and clients will see this section, so when they get to log into their web, their easy web, or their local guru client editing tool, they get to select that from there. And then we just go start creating. And that's done. Now what we'll find is if someone wants to create a new page, they just go new page, blank. I'll change the name of it there. And then they'll just go, this will take a minute or so. Then they'll just go over to make changes to a page. You just find your way, and I'm not clicking anything here, I'm just hovering, add section, and then all the way down you've got to click that button down the left there. All the way down it says easy build templates for you to choose, and you'll notice that I've already put these ones in here. Where is it here? Musician template. So we're going to save. And obviously my computer takes forever. I can hear it. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, things. That's actually now done. So I'm trying to get the computer to just hurry up and finish, but it's just not.